textbook math attack? Has anyone ever had a math attack? What we're going to learn about today what we will start off today doing is identifying factors and products in multiplication. Put on your hats because we are about to attack math and multiplication. Okay, so what I would like to talk to you about is factors and products. In multiplication, the numbers that you multiply, which for us in the 3rd grade, we're going to start multiplying 2 to 3 numbers. In this example, 3 and 4, they're considered the factors. And 3 times 4, or 3 multiplied by 4, equals 12. And our answer is also called a product. So factors are the numbers that we multiply by, and the answer that we get when we multiply numbers, they are the product, or another word is our answer. Another example is 2 times 3 equals 6. So the numbers 2 and 3, they are the factors because we're multiplying 2 times 3. And the answer, or the product, is 6. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So, Kevin, if I asked you in our first example the numbers 3 and 4, would you say they are the factors or the products? That is correct, Kevin. They are the factors. Another example of factors and products is 6 times 5. Those are the 2 numbers we're multiplying by. And they are called what, BJ? Factors. That is correct. And 6 times 5 equals 30. And 30 is what, Karen? The product. That is correct. Another example we have is 2 times 5 equals 10. In this example, what number is the product, Linda? Yes, 2 times 5 equals 10, and that is correct, Linda. 10 is the product, and 2 and 5, they are the factors. Great job, everyone. So now I'm going to ask you some questions, and as a class, we're going to determine what the factors are of 12. So we're going to start with number 1. So 1 times what is 12? Correct, Emma. 1 times 12 is 12. If we have the number 2, 2 times, that is correct, Timothy, 6. 2 times 2 is 12. Okay, Edward, your turn. Correct. 3 times 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. Great job. And we know 2 times 6 is 12, so we know 6 times 2 is 12. That's correct, Brenda. Great job, everyone. Now, what are the factors of 40? We're going to start with 1 again. Okay, Matthew, 1 times 40. Correct. Good job. Great job, everyone. We are learning our multiplications. So 1 times 40 is 40. Kevin, 2 times 20 is 40. That is correct. And yes, it did come up on the screen. And 4 times 10 is 40. That is correct. And 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, Joy, your turn. Is 8 times 5 40? Yes, that is correct. 8 times 5 is 40. Great job, everyone. So we know that factors are the numbers that we use to get an answer when we're multiplying. And the answer is also called a product. So in our example, what is the product of the first question? That is correct, Joy. 12 is the product. And our second question, what is the product? Anybody raise your hand? Okay, Sam, what is the product of our second question? 40, that is correct. So our factors are the numbers that we have in our multiplication problems. And it may be 2 or 3, depending on what multiplication problems we're working on. And our answer, or the product, is determined by multiplying those two numbers. Great job, everyone.